Hey, I'm Natalie and I'm here to show you how to make a Kokedama plant. Fun fact, Kokedama in Japanese means moss ball. Here's one I prepared earlier. These are a beautiful, stylish plant that you can have in your own home. We actually sell them at Bunnings, but today I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. The materials you will need are Coir-peat, Sphagnum moss, a small houseplant, approximately 1 metre of twine and some water. The first step is to soak our Coir-peat and Sphagnum moss in some water. The Coir-peat, you just let it soak for a bit. The consistency ends up a bit like coffee grounds or soil. You don't want it too damp, but you want it damp enough that it can stick together and hold a ball. The Sphagnum moss, you don't have to soak for too long, it's just to kind of get it a bit damp. The next step is to remove the plant from the pot. Sometimes, like this, the plant might not come out fully, but that's okay because all we need is this. We're going to create a ball of this Coir-peat around our plant. Then we're going to get some of our Sphagnum moss and we're going to lay it out flat. So it's a good idea to put a drop sheet or some plastic down. Probably not the best to do this one on your mum's kitchen table. Tightly wrap it around the roots of the plant and try and mould it into a ball shape. So we've got our Sphagnum moss and now we are going to wrap that around the ball of the Coir-peat and try and mould that into a ball shape as well. So it doesn't have to be a perfect ball just yet because that's what we're going to get when we start wrapping it with the twine. As you're wrapping it, try and mould it into a ball shape. So it's wrapped super tight now, so we're going to tie a knot just at the bottom. And there you have it, your very own Kokedama plant. Now for mine, I decided to jazz it up a little bit. So I added cotton twine and I wrapped it in a pretty pattern. These would be perfect to give as a gift for someone, just add a little tag onto it, happy birthday, get well soon, all that kind of thing.